guys, this is today. It's our 30th of our vacay, but it was a bad luck because first day of our vacay, I lost my bracelet. So my husband is a little bit frustrated and a little bit sad because that bracelet that he gave it to me, there is a story. So normally he wanted to buy only one piece, but normally they are in one set, but because it's too expensive, so he asked to the woman if he can buy it only for one piece. But the woman, she think first, the sales lady, and then later on she agreed, and then she said it's okay, but it's a little bit quite expensive if you buy it for one piece. So my husband, I was there also when he bought that bracelet. So I was looking also. I was also in love with the other one because they are completely set. So I could not decide which one I had to choose because he was asking to me. So I said to him, it's up to you only because it's from your, it's like it's a present for me. So he said this one, but after that when we wanted to, we pay it, and then when we return back, when we are going already out of the shop, then he come back and he said, no, it's better I'm gonna take it the whole set. So we take it to this whole set. So now it's a little bit it's sad because the first day I was touring to our chalet, and then I was taking videos, and I was falling on the staircase. I could not see that there is I see that there is a staircase, but I thought I could not be fall down, and I don't see it that the steps is still a little bit deep. So when I turn it back, then I was fall down. So it's even my shoes. It's the only shoes, a little bit decent shoes that I brought it to our vacation. It was completely damaged. So I'm gonna show you. So this is the only one that because I know we are in the forest and I could not bring a decent one, so this is the only one I brought it. So and then it's completely because I fall down a little bit higher, So this is new because I don't really like this too much, and the other one is not much, so it's a little bit. So it's a little bit quite, I don't know, it's disappointing, it's for myself because I'm so tired, very recreational. So I'm gonna do it one by one, searching on it for all my clothes that I'm putting on our cabinet, in our closet. But I didn't think it was here. But I will do it again in the sheets or bedsheets because I was changing the time and I have very difficult to change it. So I hope it's only under because when I reviewing my video, when I fall down, it's still there. It's not falling. It's not really falling. It's still there. So I only observe it. I find it out when my hubby was asking me for doing his foot for massaging. I massage his foot because he has a lot of pain. So when I'm rubbing on it, I saw it only that it's only one left, and the other one it was again. So I was in panic and a little bit nervous because I know my husband he will get angry. So I decided to keep quiet first. I'm not telling to him. So because I said to myself, tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up early. Because I did not check it up first my video if it still is there in the beginning with my bracelet is still on. So maybe I was thinking that when I fall down, maybe it's a murder, or maybe someone found it out already when they are passing by, or maybe the owner is the one who find it out because they came in the evening later. It's a little bit almost 9 o'clock, so and they were passing in that side, so I was a little bit nervous. So I'm looking again. I said, oh my God, it's still there. It's still there, the bracelet, but the owner, the old couple who came here, it's already almost 9 he came. So I hope that I did not lose somewhere inside of the house, because they came here for to put it back the bed of my son, because actually my son, he will come to us. So they put an extra bed for my son, and then because it is not coming, so they put it back. So I hope I did not lose it, and I hope that they not found it, and I hope it's only somewhere around here. But yeah, it's a little bit pity, you know. So all these shirts that I'm making, so I already think for one by one already, so I couldn't find it. So you know, so the bedroom is like a very old, as antique. Even this one there, this is one big. So this is very antique. So all those things are very antique. So only the sheets we bring by our own, because we doesn't want that. We don't want that we are using bedsheet from somebody else. If it's in the hotel, then we don't care where we shall use it. But something like this, that we are renting like a chalet or a small house, that because you know a lot of people already coming here, even if they are washing, and then we should rent, or if we forget something to bring something, then we could rent. But we don't like it like that. We want it to bring by our own. So this is, you know, it's a little bit quite goosey, but I know it's a little bit messy to look, because yeah, we are putting all those things now. And that is outside window. So, and this is like the, how you call this, a nightstand, beauty nightstand. If you see this, it's antique, it's an old-fashioned. It's built on 1671, so all those things that they are putting here is from before. So they are very Catholic. Understand that? So even those things on the top there, see that? So they are so very religious. The machine of my husband, if he's sleeping in the evening, he has those things, the machine. So I don't know. So my husband last night is a little bit disappointed, because he was not and then my husband was saying to me, if you're gonna worry that one, we are only one by one, but if I'm gonna worry for one only, it's like it's not nice to look, because they are really complete sets. So, and all my friends saying also it's nice that you can put it in two together. So I did it. But after all, when I let it show really to my son every time, that I don't say anything what I'm wearing. So he find it out. I think that is nice, that it's double. so he just didn't care anymore. Only yesterday he was a little bit mad because I'm so reckless and I didn't take care of it, so he's a little bit angry. Because last night it's already very late. We came from the city. We go to the hostel in the Middle Age, so we go there, and then we go eat somewhere there, and then after that, in the evening, I could not keep quiet. I still feeling guilty, because I'm a person who cannot keep it a secret from my partner if something happened. So I told to him, but I'm still hoping that I could find for my own. So that's why I did not tell to him first, because I was reviewing the old video. It's still there. So at late evening, I was preparing our bed for the chance for a new bedsheets, because it's from the old people before. No, it's from the owner that they put it on, but I wanted to take it out and put a new one from us. So, but I had difficult to put it on because I think this bed is a little bit wider and for us is a little bit smaller. So I have difficult, and I don't want to call to my husband. I want to try for my own to do it. So it's possible that it was somewhere under, but we are already looking from yesterday, but it's not really there. So everything there that I'm putting the things where I put is not in there. So I'm a little bit, feeling pity and a little bit nerve because he will get angry because I said to him, just don't he's itching my nose, get angry yet, because maybe we should find it there somewhere, So I just wanted to be think positive. So I'm hoping that I can still find it. I hope. So guys, this is our third day and it was Sunday. I woke up so early. I'm thinking about already. Only my hair I did not get to it. My husband is still sleeping this morning, so I wake up early because of the night I'm always waking up. I don't know, I cannot sleep. So I'm like that. If it's not our place, I'm always waking up. And also I was thinking for the bracelet. So because that night we have a little bit an argue with my husband, because it's not only these things that I lost, it's a lot already. So that's why he's a little bit angry to me. And of course, I'm also a little bit pride, I don't want it that he will get angry to me. So if what is inside of my, how you call that, that's what I wanted to speak it. So I will speak it to him, but in a nice way, in a right way. If what is my reason is not because I lost it and then I'm the one who will get angry, and of course I accept it. It's my fault. But also it's not your fault also that you lost it, because if you're doing some things, suddenly it was maybe the lock it was open, so it's an accident, so you don't have to blame. He don't have to blame to me. So that's why I also saying to me, you should not be angry to me because it's not my fault, So okay guys, it's already long my vlog, so I'm gonna say bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and just please like my video and say hello to all.